When recovering from an injury or medical condition, there is no better place to do so than your own home. Here to tell us what Home Rehab Express can do for you or a loved one is Marco Porras and also Dr. Glenn Flanagan. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
It's a pleasure to have you on the show this morning. So, Marcos, why don't you talk a little bit about Home Rehab Express first? If anyone hasn't heard of you guys before or isn't familiar with your services, what do you guys do? What's your mission?
Yeah, Home Rehab Express is a home health company that's Medicare certified. We provide ancillary services post-operatively to your home, such as nursing, physical therapist, occupational therapy, social worker.
And Dr. Flanagan is here because today we are talking about chronic pain, which is a lot of times you're dealing with different patients like that. What is chronic pain, first of all, Dr. Flanagan?
Well, chronic pain is annoying, first of all, obviously, but basically it's just based on the time period. So if you have pain for more than 3 months, we call it chronic pain.
Okay, and so what are what should we be looking out for to think that that pain area is now a problem? Just that it's lasted a long time, or?
Yeah, so basically it's just based on how long it's lasted for. A lot of people, get into the mindset where they just feel like they've had this pain for so long, they start to give up. So it's important that, we let them know that there are always things you can do to get better and, not to worry about it.
What are some of those reasons or things that could be causing that chronic pain?
Well, I like to think of it as an injury that just hasn't healed properly yet. Some injuries can take months, 3, 6, 9 months to really heal before you get back to normal. So we just always try and pinpoint what started the problem and focus on how we can fix it now.
So let's talk about how to fix it, because we've got to be able to find relief, right? That chronic pain is not something that feels good, as you said, pretty annoying, I'm sure. So what do we do for relief?
Well, the most important part is to get the proper diagnosis, so you're getting treatment for the right area. It could be muscle, tendon, joint, there's a lot of different things. We use medications and injections to help decrease pain, to get people to therapists and get them feeling better and functioning better.
And I'm sure every case is different with every person depending on what that injury is or what started it, but how long does that typically take to heal when you're dealing with just chronic pain, I guess, in general?
Usually we give it months, weeks to months, and if it takes longer, we just, we don't give up. We keep trying to focus on getting that healing process going well.
And that's pretty much where you guys come in with Home Rehab Express, is that healing process. How can you help if someone is dealing with chronic pain right now and they're listening to us?
Basically, to look us up on the webpage, it's homerehabexpress.com.
So the website, a good place to go, and you guys have many locations, or where are you guys located?
We're based out of Cape Coral, Florida.
But you service different areas
yeah, absolutely.
of
We go all the way
Florida.
from Port Charlotte to Naples.
Okay, perfect. So again, if you are listening and you want more on Home Rehab Express, their website is always a great resource. Whether it's chronic pain, it could be a sports-related injury, it could be all kinds of different topics. So if there's something that you think that they can help with, again, check out their website and head to our website to fox4morningblend.com. All right, the weight loss challenge may be ending, but that doesn't mean your healthy lifestyle has to. Coming up next, we stir things up in the kitchen with a meal to help keep you on track without busting your waistline or your budget.